Okay guys, today we're going to toy review. So first, we are doing a Jack one. Alright, let's try this thing out. Now that was awesome. See the insides. You can see that metal piano thing with the screws. And that was the note roller. Okay, next up is this guy. This guy, I can't show inside because it's a Jack in a Box. But it's from a movie called Trick or Treat. Let's try it. And I got my little baby with me. She's my little sister. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Can you say hi? Say hi. Okay, that was my little sister. And here, let's try this thing out. Okay, and here it is. This is a little Sam plush right here that came inside of it. It's like a bobblehead. Bobblehead Funkos. Okay, let's put that back. All right, next up, the last one. Wait, no, not the last one. Him. This guy is extraordinary. It costs $20 online on Amazon. You can find it on Amazon. And hold on, I want to show you something. See this Lego? Oh. See this Lego? See it? Look, you could stick it in his mouth. And boom, look at that. He ate the whole freaking thing. That's awesome.